Meaning of Jimmie Rodgers.
Jimmie Rodgers.
Jimmie Rodgers.
Jimmie Rodgers.
Jimmie Rodgers. Jimmie Rodgers was an American singer-songwriter and musician, who is often referred to as the father of country music. He was born on September 8, 1897, in Pine Springs, Mississippi, and his career spanned from the late 1920s until his death in 1933. During his brief but influential career, he recorded many popular and enduring songs, such as Blue Yodel and Tea for Texas. Despite his early death at the age of 35 due to complications from tuberculosis, Jimmie Rodgers' impact on country music has been significant and lasting.